She's been with us since May, so it's been like 4.5 months. She's honestly one of the best cats ever. And I'm gonna miss you so much, Sephora. Sephora's owner is coming in like 10 minutes, so I have to pack up her stuff. Sephora! This is her favorite little rat toy. Breakfast. Milk. This is genuinely the best protein shake ever.
Hi Sephora! Girl, you are so big! The cats in like Gombo are so tiny compared to you. Hi!
Sephora was having the zoomies one day and she was running around my bed and ripped my blanket. I've been procrastinating stitching it up for a while, so I'm gonna do it right now. Did a really bad job. Just put my bed sheets in the laundry and now I'm gonna be packing. Life update, I'm gonna be living on a farm for 1 week. It's like a 3-hour train ride from the city. The reason why I'm doing it is because I've been really craving nature and I want to be surrounded by animals and greenery and just take a break from the city and looking at my computer all the time for my work. I'm probably gonna still work at the farm, but it'll be nice to also do some manual labor. Of course, I need to take a flannel. This is so farm core. The things I'm packing are gonna be like super comfy clothes that I don't mind getting dirty. One thing that sucks is I think it's gonna be raining while I'm there. This is also pretty farm core. Packing 2 nice shirts just in case. Of course, I gotta pack overalls. Pardon the interruption. I would like to thank today's sponsors, Skillshare, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Throughout my life, there have been so many things I wanted to try, and honestly, I still have a never-ending list. The thing is, I'm someone who gets really excited about starting something, so I will impulsively and spontaneously start it, but then I have a hard time sticking with it. And a good example of this is I've always wanted to learn dance. There have been so many times when I'm like, okay, I'm gonna learn this K-pop dance. So I try to learn the choreography, and then I get absolutely defeated halfway through, or not even halfway through, like in the beginning, and then I just stopped. So this time I decided to just start from the basics, and that's where Skillshare comes in. I've been taking a beginner's guide to hip-hop dance moves, old school dances by Rich Styles TV, and it's honestly been pretty fun because he starts from very simple dance moves where I'm like, okay, that was so easy. Wow, I want to do the next one. And it's been such a fun and easy way to actually learn at my own pace, thanks to the way he breaks everything down step by step. And what I love about Skillshare is that there's truly something for everyone, whether you're into art and illustration, animation, photography, graphic design, or even lifestyle and personal growth. You can explore so many different types of videos all in one place. I love how simple and approachable a lot of the classes are. For example, there's this super short 5-minute class by Gabriel Bricky, a portrait artist, and it's called 5 minutes a day, build a drawing habit that sticks. It's a fun little project all about just showing up. And I love how it makes creativity feel easy and enjoyable again. So if you've been wanting to try something new and don't know where to start, Skillshare is the perfect place to just try. The first 500 people to use my link in my description or scan this QR code will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Now back to the video. I haven't had natto in so long. Itadakimasu. This is a very, very nutritious lunch. Wow. Guys, I was planning on uploading videos more often on YouTube, and then I spilled juice on my laptop. And I was editing my eating like for a day video, but the file is on the laptop. So I took it to repair, and they are taking quite a while. I really, really hope that they can fix it. But yeah, it's an unfortunate situation. I ended up getting a new laptop because it was time. My laptop was like from 2018, but it was still doing a really good job. That's why I never upgraded. But yeah, that is the reason for my lack of uploads. And during that time, I've been watching Boys Planet #2. I'm not caught up though, so now I'm watching Boys Planet 1. I remember watching episode 1 when it came out, but I didn't keep watching it.
Side of G group is like all different types of styles.
My room is ready for my friend. Oh. Every time I go on a trip, my room is the cleanest it's ever been. Yay! I made it to the farm. This is gonna be my bed.